By the end of this month, the city of Columbus tells NBC4 investigates it will finish spending $157 million pandemic relief dollars. Now, that money came from the federal government through the CARES Act, which was signed into law 1 year ago this week.
And although it's been spent, NBC4 investigates Jamie Ostroff found that it wasn't enough to cover some needs moving forward. What do you say?
Well, Carrie, I have been tracking that $157 million, and about $18 million of that was left over at the end of 2020. That's as far as the public records go, since the first quarter of 2021 isn't technically over yet. But one nonprofit tells me they got $10 million of that leftover CARES money from the city this year, on top of more than $10 million Columbus gave them from the funds last year. Impact Community Action is using that money to make sure people don't get left behind as the economy recovers. Impact Community Action spent much of 2020 trying to stop the bleeding, keeping people fed in their homes with working utilities.
We are dealing with both a public health crisis as well as an economic crisis.
That's why CEO Bo Chilton says the nonprofit spent $15 million on rental assistance, keeping 5,000 Columbus families off the streets and out of shelters. The Strong family is one of them.
I've been requested to leave the home with a 3-day eviction multiple times, and the only thing I can think about is, what do I do? Where do I go?
Katrina Strong was on the road when we called her. A single mother of 5, she had to quit her job as a truck driver to help her children with remote learning.
I was making it off of my savings, and the savings done depleted.
Students return to Columbus City schools this week, and Strong looks forward to getting back to work, but she still has reservations.
With the way the schools are, the kids are only going back, 2 or 3 days a week. I don't know many jobs that's in trucking anyway that's going to allow me to work only 2 or 3 days a week.
Chilton says Strong is an example of why, moving forward, Impact will need to shift more focus toward its workforce development programs.
Some of the jobs that we lost aren't coming back. It's going to require a different kind of worker.
In fact, Impact launched its new IT program today to focus on training a more remote workforce. These programs are funded by CARES Act dollars that come directly from the federal government. Impact will use its second CARES payment from the city for more emergency assistance.
Does Impact have enough money to meet the needs that you anticipate moving forward in the coming months?
I'll say this, we've been able to secure about $51 million this year total, and that will go a long way towards helping to relieve some of the economic pain, but certainly we know that the demand is much greater than that.